Wanna ride? Randy Seacrest. Yo, I'm outside your trailer. Yeah, we carpooling or what? Alright. Get out of the tub, let's go. Bye. He's always doing his hair. It takes forever to get ready. Doing his hair, putting his lotion on. There goes Juliana. Bye, G.
He's coming, he'll only be a minute.
What's he doing? Shaving his legs?
He's getting dressed, I don't know. You guys are going out, so he's gotta look nice. I was telling Sadeo, you have no idea how many times we pull up someplace and people are like, is Ryan Seacrest in there?
Man?
Yeah.
All the time. All the
We're like,
time.
oh yeah, he's in the back.
I got breaking news, I gotta hurry. Who's this?
We gotta eat healthy.
Hello, Jackson. Let's go. Jump
What
in.
are you doing, man?
Jump in.
What is this?
We're going to dinner.
Whoa! Has Ryan Seacrest lost his mind? He's driving around town in an E-News van. Yo, what are you doing, man? What are we doing? We're going to
Driving right into the